We had an amazing training today. My favorite part, well, there was so many, so it's hard to say my favorite. The thing that's top of mind right now was what a strong close it was to the day with Ben Ward. Brought such value to our time here today, and I am pumped and charged, and I can't wait to see how my business is going to grow.
There was a lot that we were able to take away, you know, eating the frog, attacking your fear. I really like the fact that Ben has a lot of positive energy, just a lot of, I mean, he brought a lot out of us, and so it was something that, you know, I can't even begin to express how much gratitude I have and just how invaluable what he's, you know, had to say and what he had to offer was for us. So very, very thankful.
It was such a pleasure to get to meet Ben Ward. He came and speak to our group in Van Buren, Missouri. When I think of things that sum up Ben Ward and what he'd done for our group is genuine. He's very, very genuine, kind, pays very close attention to what you're saying. It's just incredible when I would sit back after he had spoke to our people, how many conversations that were being had as I would mingle throughout the crowd about things that Ben had said, things like lollipops and lemonade or Salan. I've been in sales for many, many years. There's things that he brought up that he dove into that I really haven't even thought about. I've met many speakers over my time, and they would come and they would go, but it was such a blessing to have Ben spend multiple days with us, but more importantly to inject and bring value to our team.
So I super appreciated Ben's whole speech. We've been sitting here for like 10 hours, and it's all good stuff, but it's also draining when you're sitting there for 10 hours. He came in with like all this energy, just like pumped us up. I highly recommend Ben Ward.
As you're going and growing and building your business, I challenge you. Let's give it up for him. Raise your hands in the air, wave them if you learned a ton today. Let's just get a feel. So Salan, this becomes a powerful, the Whitneys, the JDs, the top performers, is being able